Have you ever talked to ChatGPT, asked Alexa to play your favorite song, or noticed how YouTube knows exactly what you want to watch next? That's not magic. That's artificial intelligence, or simply AI. And in 2025, AI is not just the future, it's already shaping your present. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub, and in today's beginner-friendly guide, we'll understand what AI truly is, how it works, where it's used, and why it matters more than ever before. So, what is artificial intelligence? In simple words, artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to mimic human intelligence. That means it can think, learn, solve problems, and even make decisions, just like you and me. But wait, machines don't have brains, right? True, but AI uses something called algorithms and data to simulate thinking. It's like teaching a child. But instead of books, AI learns from data, patterns, and millions of past experiences in daily life. You're using AI right now without even realizing it. When your phone unlocks using Face ID, that's AI. When Google Maps suggests a faster route, that's AI. Netflix recommending your next favorite movie? Yep, that's AI too. From shopping apps, smartwatches, digital assistants to spam filters in Gmail, AI is already all around you. It's not science fiction anymore. It's science fact types of AI. Now let's understand the types of AI in simple terms. There are three main types. ANI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence. This is the AI we use today. It performs one specific task, like recognizing faces, translating language, or playing chess. It's fast, but it doesn't understand like a human. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This is a dream for now. AGI would mean a machine that can think and reason like a human across all areas. We're still far from this stage, but research is going on. ASI, Artificial Superintelligence. This is a concept of a machine that becomes smarter than all humans combined. Sounds scary? Even Elon Musk thinks so. But don't worry, it's not here yet. How does AI work? Let's keep it beginner-friendly. AI needs three main things. Data. The more data it has, the better it learns. Algorithms. These are step-by-step instructions that tell AI how to learn. Computing power. Powerful machines and cloud systems process all that data. There are many techniques in AI, like machine learning, where AI learns from data, just like experience. Deep learning, a more advanced form of learning, inspired by how our brain works. Natural language processing. This helps AI understand and respond in human language. All these combine to make AI smart, or at least smart enough to seem human. Benefits of AI. AI isn't just cool, it's also helpful. AI helps in healthcare, predicting diseases, analyzing scans, assisting surgeries. AI helps in education, personalizing learning for every student. AI boosts business, automating tasks, analyzing big data. Even in agriculture, finance, law, and space research, AI is everywhere. Challenges future. But like any powerful technology, AI also has challenges. What if it replaces jobs? What about data privacy? Can AI be biased? That's why we need ethical AI, which is transparent, fair, and used responsibly. The future of AI depends on us, how we build it, how we use it, and how we make sure it helps, not harms. So now you know what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal in 2025. This was just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into machine learning, AI tools, and how you can start using AI in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fame World Educational Hub, your one-stop place to learn the future.